TPMS may not always be at top of mind during a tire replacement or sensor install, but it should be. A single missed step can lead to customer comebacks, meaning added expenses your shop will cover and potentially losing that customer's trust. Want to prevent comebacks and build trust with your customers? Start with TPMS service at the counter. Let's talk about why next. When you're chatting with customers, before even diving into service, you have a unique opportunity to show them you care about their safety. TPMS is a safety feature after all, so it's up to you to ask questions and be proactive about TPMS care, even if they aren't in your shop to fix it. Some customers may not know the benefits of TPMS or what it does. You can change that. If you're not educating them, you're missing an opportunity to help customers understand the value of monitoring and maintaining TPMS. Sure, TPMS impacts fuel economy and tire wear, but beyond that, correct tire pressure directly affects braking performance and vehicle handling. Both are crucial safety functions of any vehicle, so you should communicate that to your customers. A functioning TPMS provides instant alerts when tire pressure drops. Tell customers not to take these warning lights lightly. No pun intended. Having this conversation at the counter, especially before TPMS service, can help customers understand the value of maintaining a key safety system. If you're replacing all 4 tires, especially an older vehicle that has TPMS, check the condition of each TPMS sensor before doing anything. A weak battery may not trigger a warning light, but it could still fail shortly after the customer leaves your shop. That means not only will the customer come back, but you'll probably have to cover the cost. All of that can be avoided by testing each sensor before service. If your customers do come back to the shop with a blinking TPMS light, even though last time you checked and saw no corresponding diagnostic trouble codes, the issue may not be with the system itself, but with outside interference. Aftermarket electronics like ham radio equipment, phone chargers, or even nearby high-tension power lines can disrupt TPMS signals. Before service, tell your customers you want to take a look around the vehicle for potential sources of interference. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.